Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up BDNet VPN for a secure and private connection. This tutorial will walk you through each step, from installing the app to establishing a stable VPN connection. Let's get started. Overview: secure your connection with BDNet VPN. This tutorial outlines the process of setting up BDNet VPN, an app designed for providing a simple and secure VPN connection. We'll cover installing the app, updating its resources, configuring the network settings, selecting a server, and connecting to the VPN service. By following these steps, you can quickly establish a secure internet connection on your Android device. Step 1. Open Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Step 2. Search for BDNet VPN in the search bar. Type BDNet VPN. Step 3. Install the app. Ensure you select the correct app by verifying the developer and icon. Then, tap Install to download and install the BDNet VPN app. Step 4. Launch BDNet VPN. Once installed, tap Open to launch the BDNet VPN app. Step 5. Access menu. Tap the three lines menu icon, usually located in the upper left corner of the app screen. This opens the main menu. Step 6. Update resources. Tap Update in the menu. This step ensures that the app has the latest server list and configurations, which is essential for optimal performance. Step 7. Access network settings. Go to Network Settings. The exact label might vary slightly depending on the app version. Step 8. Select UDP protocol. Select UDP as your connection protocol. UDP is often faster and more reliable than TCP, especially in mobile networks. Step 9. Choose country. Choose All Country UDP. This allows the app to connect to any available UDP server, potentially giving you the best available speed and stability. Step 10. Set server to auto-select. Set server to auto-select. This allows the app to automatically choose the best server for your location and network conditions. Step 11. Start the connection. Tap Start to initiate the VPN connection. And that's it. You've successfully set up BDNet VPN. You can now browse the internet with an added layer of security and privacy. Like this video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and join our Telegram and WhatsApp communities. Links are in the description.